In this video, we listed the 5 best long-range drones on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Potensic Mini Drone. The Potensic Atom 4K drone is designed for beginners and comes with a range of impressive features. With a weight of under 249 g, it boasts a 3-axis gimbal camera capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12 MP photos. The drone offers a flight time of up to 29 minutes per battery and has a 6 km image transmission range with level 5 wind resistance. It includes features such as GPS, return to home, waypoint, visual tracking, and quick shots. The Atom model is available in 2 options, Standard Kit and Fly More Combo, with the latter including additional batteries and accessories. The drone is equipped with always improving firmware and is packed with features suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The package includes the drone, remote control, batteries, spare propellers, a camera protective cover, and more. With its compact design and impressive specifications, the Potensic Atom drone is a versatile option for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 2. M10 Ultra Drone. The M10 Ultra Drone by Potensic offers high-quality video capture resolution at 4K UHD, making it suitable for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this drone features a 3-axis gimbal camera mount and operates on a Mode 2 controller mode. With a flight time of 25 minutes and a remote distance of 3,000 meters, users can enjoy extended aerial photography sessions. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor and a 7.6V 3800 mAh charging voltage, powered by a 1000 mAh lithium battery. The package includes essential items like the original box, camera, batteries, remote controller, charger, USB cable, and operating instructions. The drone is made of a combination of plastic and metal materials, with a ready-to-go state of assembly. Certified with CE, this drone is app-controlled and suitable for users aged 12 years and above. The image transmission receiving utilizes a 5G plus relay strong signal, ensuring a seamless flying experience. With its innovative features and reliable performance, the M10 Ultra Drone is an ideal choice for drone enthusiasts. Number 3. K911 Max GPS RC Drone. The K911 Max drone model is a versatile and feature-packed device suitable for both indoor and outdoor flight environments. Made of ABS, metal, and electronic components, it features a 1503 brushless motor and offers a remote control distance of 1200 m on a 2.4 GHz frequency. With a flight time of approximately 25 minutes and a charging time of about 2 hours via USB charging, this drone boasts a 7.4V 2500 mAh battery. Its compact folded size of 15.5 by 9 by 8 cm expands to 32 by 32 by 8 cm when unfolded. The drone is equipped with advanced functions such as 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning combined with optical flow positioning, 8K camera resolution, 5G high-definition image transmission, intelligent following, gesture photography, and more. The package includes the drone, remote control, storage bag, manual, screwdriver, spare fan blades, USB charging cable, and body battery, with options for additional batteries. With features like low power return, one-key return, and dual camera switching, this drone offers an exciting aerial photography experience for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. S7S Drone. The LSRC S7S Drone by On Aliexpress is a camera drone designed for aerial photography with a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. It features a 4K video resolution, equipped with a strobe, and operates at a frequency of 2.4 GHz. The drone has a flight time of 25 minutes and a remote distance of 1000 m, with GPS connectivity. It integrates a 1/2.0-inch sensor and is equipped with a brushless motor. The drone is controlled through an app, remote control, or Wi-Fi connection, and operates on 4 channels. Additionally, it includes a 1080p HD video recording camera and is certified with CE. The controller operates on a 3.7V 400 mAh battery and charges at 7.6V/3000 mAh. The product is manufactured in mainland China. Number 5. DJI Mini3. The DJI Mini3 drone is a lightweight and compact camera drone designed for aerial photography. With a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram, it features a 48 million pixel camera with 4x optical zoom and 3-axis gimbal stabilization for smooth and clear footage. The drone can reach a maximum altitude of 4,000 m and has a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. It is equipped with a 2,500 mAh battery, providing a flight time that varies based on wind conditions. The drone supports storage up to 512 GB and has a variety of video recording options, including 1080p and 4K HD video recording in MP4 format. The remote controller has a 5.5-inch display and operates on a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency. The DJI Mini3 drone is suitable for users over 16 years old and is controlled via the DJI mobile app or the remote control. It does not have additional features like a strobe, spotlight, or loudspeaker, but it does have a sensing system for downward stabilization and GPS for precise positioning. The drone is manufactured by DJI in mainland China and is certified with CE and FCC standards.